All right guys, Chad here at Guarantee RV. We got our ElkRidge Heartland 31 RLK. This is a really nice floor plan here. A couple things we're going to start with. First of all, get under here. This is going to come fully prepped for a generator if you'd like to add one, or you could just do the portables. Batteries, all that good stuff goes under there. And then you have your jack system here for getting it on and off your truck. Solar system. One of the cool things about this unit here, Heartland does a 6-point leveling. It's going to be an auto level, which is really cool. It's hydraulic over electric, which is going to last obviously a little bit longer. In this compartment here, you have your propane tanks. There's probably going to be one on the other side as well. Right here, you also have your central system for all of your jacks and all your stuff to control your coach. Heated underbelly, spare tires under there so you don't have to see it, but you know where it's at. Wet bay is going to be right here with a nice little plug to put all your stuff through. So everything can connect there. You can dump your tanks, all that good stuff. 10-gallon hot water heater right there. As we come around to the back, you're going to notice that this is where you plug your coach in at. So you can back right up to those poles at the parks, all that good stuff. We'll cruise around to this side here. Got a nice outdoor kitchen. If we had a little more space, I'd pull some things out for you, but we don't. We're going to go ahead and just jump right into the inside because we've got some planes landing and it's really loud and annoying. Alright, so as we come in here, you'll see that A, you have an island, which is awesome for cooking and everything, preparing food. B, you have a nice farmish style sink, nice and big to put a bunch of dishes in. You can actually fit everything in there. Furrion stove. You don't have to reach down there and light it anymore. Just go ahead and click it over. Stove top. This one right here is going to come with a nice refrigerator in it. Looks like this one's a full electric fridge. Microwave there, TV, fireplace, plenty of seating. I love this new fabric that they're using. A lot of people are starting to go to this. It doesn't hold dog hair if you have pets, stuff like that. These are going to be fully heated, massage seats, all that good stuff. Recliners for watching your TV right there. Nice little pantry. Got quite a few options on this one, really. I'll just go through a couple of them real quick as we come up to the front. Your heating and air is right there. Nice shower. This is actually the one I have in my unit. I'm little, so I fit in it, but I think most people would fit in it. Haven't had a problem with mine yet. So as we come up to the front, got a spot to put your TV. I know that's important to everybody to have a TV in your room, or some people it is. Got a nice king bed here. And as we come in here, hook up for washer dryer. All right guys, thanks for joining me. This is Chad here at Guarantee RV, 702-249-6264. Let me know if you want to get a little more detail about this coach.